All right, here to check out the rechargeable motion sensor ceiling light. This is the box that it comes in, and I wanted to show you what comes in that box. So here on the left, we'll start there. This is the instructions. It not only shows you how to install it, but it also gives you the info on how all the different functions work with the remote and the light. So instructions there. The charger here, that's USB-A to USB-C. These are the materials to do the installation. And then the remote, as you can see. And then this is what you install into the wall or the ceiling, wherever you're putting this. And then this is the light itself. So before we take off and do that installation, I'll just show you how you can manually turn this on. You just turn it on, and then there's an M button here that stands for mode, and that's how you can cycle between each mode. But you can also do that with the remote. So I'm going to leave this here, and we'll just go take care of the installation now. All right, this is a dark, depressing, messy closet in my house. Very poor lighting in this closet, and you can't really tell, but when you're in there, especially when it's at night, it is very difficult to see the clothing, what color it is. So we're going to install that light up there in the middle and see how that goes. All right, now that this is installed, this just goes on because you'll have to take this off every once in a while to charge it. So thankfully, it's just an easy, get it in the grooves, and then you twist and click and it'll stay there. All right, I'm going to take this phone down, film from this angle, and we're going to see what this closet looks like now. All right, here's what the closet looked like before, if you recall. And now I have the remote, and we'll see what it looks like after. This is so much better. Night and day difference. Let me show you the options on this remote real quick. I have the on and off, that's what I just used. You have a stay off button. There's a motion sensor button. I'm going to keep that on because I want this to conserve battery and only turn on when it senses motion. And then you have brightness. You can move that up or down. You turn this back on. You can see what that looks like. Looks like there's about 3 or 4 different notches of brightness. And then you have the light color. So if you want light somewhere between and the warm light, I'm going to choose the warm for now because that matches the light that's currently installed. But yeah, look at this. That's a lot better. All right, well, I'm going to call it here. Hopefully this install video, and you saw it firsthand how this looks. Hopefully this review helps with your search, and good luck.